How to change your name in Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Let's go ahead and open up Messenger. And once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then click on the settings gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are here, scroll all the way down till you find the Meta Account Center. Click on it. Once you do that, you will land on this page right here. And the first section that you see, it says profile. Click on it and then select the profile that you want to change the name of, and here click on name. And on this page right here, you will be able to change your messenger name, starting with the first name. You can add a middle name and a last name, and once you do that, click on review changes, and here you can either select it your new name to appear first name last name or last name first name. But keep in mind that you won't be able to change your name again within the next 60 days, as um Facebook tells you here. Once you are okay with that, click on save changes at the bottom and the changes will be saved, and your messenger name will be changed to the new one that you've chosen. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your messenger name. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.